just forgot to show my pom-poms.
What's that?
Starting.
Show.
Pom-poms. P-O-M-P-O-M. Hi friends.
Show me your face. Hey, G, acting.
Friends, I'm sleeping a lot and the pom-poms are coming in my head. No, my stomach is not full. I want to have some more.
You finished it? Wow.
Friends, I want to have more, but my mother will not give.
Stomach full.
No.
You finished it? Wow.
I want more, please.
What's happening?
My brother just knocked it like this.
My God. So what recipe are you planning to make?
I do not know the name. Chidi, this is not a newspaper. This is my brother. He's locking his face.
He's hiding. So today who's making the recipe?
Me.
What recipe?
I do not know. My brother, Daddy is. Take it from this side. You can take it to yummy treats with Atal. Yummy treats. Not that. Yummy treats with Atal. Master's kitchen.
Okay, come. Let's go to the kitchen. Motor Master. Come. Come.
Woohoo! Ouch.
Huh?
I fell down
You're tall, no? Why do you need to climb? Huh? You say you're tall? Mr. Arthur.
No.
Before cooking.
Friends, I'm washing my hands. When you are cooking, you need to wash your hands with soap. I'm telling you ulta pulta. Because I'm ulta. My hands are clean. You should wash it with soap. My gun.
Huh?
I'm washing with the gun. My hands are clean.
Show, what are you eating? Show. Show, it's okay. Show.
Akarande. While eating, no talking.
Oh.
Hi friends, my name is Athar. Today I am going to make a yum snack after school. But I don't know the name of the snack.
Why you don't know the name of the snack?
Because my mother didn't. It is a very healthy snack.
Now what are you eating?
Good day. Friends, this is a very healthy fruit and cereal snack. You can use any of them. I am using Complan. You can use Boost. You can use Bonvita. It's your own choice.
What about chocolate Horlicks?
Chocolate Horlicks too.
Okay.
Friends, you can also use chocolate Horlicks. I have a glass here. I know how to hold glasses.
Oh my God, careful.
I have 2 small sliced bananas. You can also use apple, pomegranate, your choice. We need sliced banana and Fruitos.
What is fruitos? Show.
These are fruitos. They are just like honey loops, which is colorful.
Like gems.
This is This is cornflakes.
This is normal cornflakes.
First I had this, which I didn't like. This is milk. This one is
Cashews.
chopped cashews. And also complan.
You like complan?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it will make me grow tall.
You're already tall.
But I want to grow more tall. You can also use raisins, almonds, all those.
Dates. Any?
I love cashews.
So any dry
And
fruits.
I also like these. These are my favorite.
So can they use honey loops if they don't have, what is this?
Fruitos.
Fruitos if they don't have?
My mother always calls it Fruit Loops.
Fruit loops. Hey,
No, Amma. If it's not there at... Amma, where do we get it? Friends, if you don't have Fruitos, you can take cornflakes or chocos or honey loops, your choice.
Okay, shall we start?
Yes. Add bananas. In an empty glass, I am going to add half of the bananas. No bananas are coming at all.
You're eating again?
No. It's for making it sweet. I have added half the bananas. I'm not able to open it. Just because
No
my hands...
strength. Show me your muscles. No strength at all. Show me your muscles. Show me your
I
muscles.
need to open it at least.
Ah. What is this, Athar? Shall I help?
Yeah.
Hold it. Hold it. Ah, see? So easy.
Yeah.
You need more strength. So how much are you adding? 1 teaspoon.
Friends, I love complan a lot. Look.
Yuck.
Yummy.
Show. How much are you adding?
2 spoons.
2 spoons. My goodness. Oh my God. Okay, next. Next. Next.
I do not know.
So what you want to add fruit to, what is it?
Fruitos.
What is it?
Cornflakes.
You're adding cornflakes.
It is made out of corn. They call it... It looks like flakes. That's why they call it cornflakes.
It looks like flakes. Okay. Of cashews.
I'm going to add after half of the...
Half of the cashews. You want to add some raisins?
No, I hate them.
You don't like raisins?
Can we make 2?
Okay. Some more bananas. Some more bananas. So you used 2 bananas.
But now it's full. Let me
You're pressing it.
squeeze it. No, I'm squeezing it.
So now, what is left?
Milk. Friends, this is my new mic.
Okay. Okay, start.
Friends, don't need to add sugar in the milk.
Okay. You're adding milk? Wow. Nice.
Friends, now I'm going to top it up with Fruitos and the remaining cashews. Simple.
Wow. So colorful. Do you want to add some dates?
No. This much? Only remaining.
So what's the name of this dish?
I do not know.
You're eating again. You want to sprinkle some complan? Some more complan? That's a nice idea.
Friends, I'm going to sprinkle little more.
It's okay, it's okay. Put the whole thing. You want to eat it?
Yeah.
That's okay. How is it?
Come.
Oh my god. Yuck.
Friends, my super, friends, my super fruit and cereal recipe is ready.
Let me see. Wow, nice. Looks very colorful.
Yum.
How is it tasting with the milk, fruits?
Yum. Friends, this is so easy to make. Friends, this is so easy and so yum. Please try this at home. It's so yum. I'm loving it. This is crunchy and beautiful.
You're liking it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
See you. Bye-bye. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye. No, my stomach is not full. I want to have some.
You finished it?
Wow. Friends, I want to have more, but my mother will not let.
Stomach full.
No.
You finished it? Wow.
I want more, please.